Today we're going to look at another accounting feature in StoneSpot that works in conjunction with the QuickBooks integration. So as you're taking deposits in StoneSpot, StoneSpot is automatically putting those up into QuickBooks. Those land in a liability account in QuickBooks. And frequently, like the end of each month, you might want to reconcile that liability account against the open deposits in StoneSpot. Where you get that report is by going to Reports, and then you go to your Open Deposits. This shows you a list of open deposits, the order that they're related with, and when they were received. Of course, the amount, the reference, if it's a credit card transaction or a check number, all of that is here. Previous to this release, we were not able to hide deposits. Now, this will be if you just somehow did not create invoices. This happens a lot when people were not connected to QuickBooks previously and now they are, or perhaps they imported a lot of orders that had deposits on them that you never applied to an invoice in StoneSpot or QuickBooks. But they were resolved in your previous system or in your previous bookkeeping, and you no longer want them on this deposit report. You can now hide them. So if you click hide there, they will show up down here. In case you accidentally clicked it, you can click show and put them back on the report. But this is a nice new and wonderful way to clean up this report in StoneSpot when you have either brought in a lot of data or changed your procedures in a way that's like halfway through so that there's some lingering on here that you need to get rid of. You can export this report and then, of course, sum it and compare it against the report that you can export from QuickBooks, so making sure that everything reconciles. The other amazing thing I'm so excited about is to be able to email this report to you or your accountant on the first day of each month or whenever you choose to. So you can email the requests on a schedule. If it was me, I would want it done at 6 in the morning, 6 in the morning is great, just before people get to work. But on the first day of the month at some time early in the morning, maybe 4 a.m., and I'm going to say who I want to email that to myself possibly, and maybe to my accountant that I'm going to add here. Once I do that, I can click save, and now this report will be emailed according to the settings in this section. Anyway, wonderful additions to the open deposit report, things that we're hoping will help you make your accounting even easier.